Here. So today we'll look at indicators in platform Thinkorswim. This is my favorite platform that I use for trading and chart analysis. The first thing you want to do is enter a stock. We're on the yearly chart. Doesn't matter what time frame you're on, we're just looking at the yearly on this one. Go ahead and click on this tab right here, Edit Studies. This is where you're going to add studies, strategies, patterns, etc. to do your technical analysis. The first one we're going to add is going to be simple moving average. You can leave this, you can change it to 50, you can change it to whatever you want. We're going to put it at 50. This is going to be 50 days, so it will take 50 days into account. Just click apply, okay, and as you can see, there's our 50. So if we want to add another one, we can add the same one, we can add a different one, we can add something like RSI, which is very common, and do the same thing again. Just leave these as defaults, click apply, click OK, and we have that right over here. And then if we want to add something like volume, we can add any of these volume indicators. We can just choose a random one, volume average, click apply, click OK. Now we have volume in the bottom here. So just like that, you can add studies to the chart. If I want to save this as one, if I want to save all of these as a set and have it as a preset, I'll just go in here, click Save as Set, and just call it anything you want. Just example set 1. You can name it anything that you like, click Save, and next time when you go into your Studies tab and load studies, it'll be in there. All you have to do is go ahead into it, and then you can just click that one, and I have this one set up for YouTube. Start all over with these studies, and I want to make a new one, a new set. You go back to the same Studies tab, click Remove All. Okay, now you're starting back where we started the video. This is a blank slate. All you have to do is go into the Studies tab and then add your studies again, and all your sets will be over here, the ones that we made. So the YouTube one that we made is going to be right here. It shows you what's in there.